Welcome to our review of the 2025 MG ZSF, a car that has redefined affordability and practicality in the electric vehicle market. Today, we'll explore what makes this all-electric SUV stand out and why it could be the perfect choice for your next EV purchase. Starting with the design, the MG ZSF offers a refreshed and modern exterior that blends elegance with functionality. The sleek LED headlights, a bold front grille, and clean aerodynamic lines give it a premium feel, while retaining the practicality of an SUV. The overall design speaks to a blend of modernity and utility, appealing to families and individual buyers alike. Under the hood, the 2025 MG ZSF is powered by an updated electric motor that delivers impressive performance. The motor produces up to 174 horsepower, allowing the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 8 seconds. This ensures smooth, responsive driving, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. One of the most impressive updates in this model is its enhanced battery range. The ZSF now offers a range of up to 273 miles on a single charge, depending on the variant you choose. This makes it ideal for long road trips and daily commutes without frequent stops for recharging. Charging is also convenient, with support for fast charging that can take the battery from 10% to 80% in just about 40 minutes when using a DC fast charger. For home charging, the onboard charger ensures a full charge overnight. Inside, the ZSF provides a spacious and well-appointed cabin that prioritizes comfort and technology. The panoramic sunroof, premium upholstery, and ample legroom make every ride enjoyable for both the driver and passengers. The 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system is intuitive and supports features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity for your smartphone. The digital driver display also provides real-time information on battery usage, range, and navigation, making your driving experience more informed and efficient. Safety is another area where the MG ZSF excels. Equipped with MG Pilot, the car features a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These systems work together to provide peace of mind, whether you're driving in busy city traffic or on the open road. When it comes to practicality, the ZSF shines with its ample storage space. The rear seats fold down to provide even more room for luggage, making it a versatile option for families and travelers. Additionally, the compact dimensions of the car ensure it's easy to maneuver in tight spaces, which is a significant advantage in urban areas. The 2025 MG ZSF is also an eco-friendly choice, helping you reduce your carbon footprint without sacrificing convenience or performance. With lower running costs and government incentives for electric vehicles, it's not only a sustainable option but also a cost-effective one in the long run. Overall, the 2025 MG ZSF offers a compelling package of style, performance, technology, and value. Whether you're new to electric vehicles or looking to upgrade, this SUV ticks all the right boxes. With its improved range, advanced features, and competitive pricing, it's a car that's worth considering for anyone looking to embrace the future of driving. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the latest cars and EV trends. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.